Okay, so in a previous video, um, I introduced the idea of a variable as just being a bucket that can hold any number. You can stick any number in the bucket, and no matter what number you stick in the bucket, well, you can do stuff to whatever number's in the bucket. Like, for example, you could take that number and take the number in the bucket and multiply it by 3. Remember, you put the number in front of a variable and that implies multiplication. You don't even need a symbol. Or you could subtract 10 from the number in the bucket. Or you could do both. In this case, we're multiplying it by 3 and subtracting 10. So let's consider that scenario. Um, we have any number in the bucket, and we multiply the number by negative 3. On the previous page it said 3, but no big deal. We multiply the number by negative 3, and then we add 10. Um, what we're doing here is, it's really bugging me that, okay, there we go. Um, this, uh, so let's just say the number in the bucket is 5. Okay, we take the 5, take that number, multiply it by negative 3. 5 times negative 3. That will be negative 15. And then we take the negative 15 and we add 10 to it, and that would give us negative 5. All right, well, we could pick another number. Let's say we pick 11. We multiply 11 by negative 3, and we get negative 33. That negative 33 plus 10 would be negative 23. Let's start with a negative number. How about negative 2? If the number in the bucket is negative 2, then we multiply the negative 2 in the bucket by negative 3, and that would give us positive 6. So 6 plus 10, that would give us 16. Now, vocabulary. This negative 3x plus 10. That negative 3x plus 10 is called an expression. An expression. And what we're doing with this expression when we throw a number into the variable bucket and then we determine what the value of the expression is, that's called evaluating the expression. You can evaluate an expression if you know the value, if you know what the number in the bucket is, if you know the value of the variable. Some expressions you can simplify, like when you have an expression 3 plus 10, for example. Oh, that's so sloppy. 3 plus 10. 13 would be simplifying that expression. It's an expression. All right, so there is expressions and evaluating expressions and thinking about the fact that the variable can take on any value. It's just a bucket that'll hold any number. That idea continued.